Hello everybody, and welcome to this powerful group immersion of cultivating your inner peace. If every one of us brings peace inside and healing, we're ultimately healing as a collective consciousness and raising the vibration of this planet. So let's begin. Sit comfortably and close your eyes. Place your hands on your lap, connecting and melting with your entire being. We're going to start by setting an intention to receive expansion from this particular immersion. Send this beautiful intention out to the universe with the rhythm of your breath. Breathing in and out, slowly and evenly. Bringing fresh oxygen into every cell of your body and every part of your being as you keep relaxing. In traditional Chinese medicine, the element of water and the color blue is associated with bringing balance to the mind and body. When anxiety and stress burdens you, as you relax from head to toe, a beautiful blue light shining onto your body and your entire being. Relax your jaw, your facial muscles, your neck, your shoulders. Stay with your breath. Relax your arms and hands. Relax your chest, abdomen, hips, legs, and feet. If you notice an area that needs extra attention, let this light shine more brightly on that area to create a calm, cooling effect. Imagine this calm, cooling effect flowing through each part of your body like the calm current of the stream. Just as veins of water flows through geological formations that nourish our larger body, Mother Earth, the ebb and flow of emotions are also a vital part of your divine human experience. Your deep understanding of this part of your nature is evident whenever tears arise. On your next breath, surrender to the knowing that it is safe to feel your emotions now. Next, we're going to dive deeper to connect to your heart settle your attention on the heart center and just feel, without judgment or agenda. Take some deep breath here and begin to notice luminous star of white light in the center of your chest. You're going to call upon this light now. To scan your field for any energetic blocks or emotions. What you're looking for at this moment, where you might be feeling pressure or discomfort. A lot of times, this pressure is in the abdomen or your solar plexus region. We're going to release these blocks and allow the flow of peace, prosperity, and happiness to flow to you and emanate through your entire being. Attune to the energy of love to acknowledge these blocks, blocked emotions, and set the intention to release them. Use the light from your heart to help them transition from stagnation to circulation and finally evaporation from your field in the form of the cloud. Recognize any unwanted attachments, limiting beliefs, or judgment that come up for you as you go through this exercise, and detach from those by continuing to imagine placing them inside clouds that you release into the sky. No matter what memories might arise, in this very moment, express gratitude and absolute appreciation for the lessons they have taught you, or perhaps are still here for you on your life's journey. Embrace the way they have elevated emotional intelligence, your empathy, and your ability to feel from your heart. See that the clouds float up and above and away as you breathe. Repeat these mantras and repeat after me. I choose to acknowledge my unconditional worth as a divine child of the universe. I release a vibration of an anxious thought and experience that no longer serve me. I resonate with the vibration of love to free myself of old wounds and accept healing now. Now imagine a gentle and purifying ray beginning to fall around you, kissing your skin like a gift from heaven, from the clouds you released. Breathe into the knowing that experiencing the contrast, the complexity you released, is perfect. It's what makes life so rich and meaningful. Let the love-infused ray nourish your spirit. And notice golden magenta sunlight beginning to glow down on you with warm radiance. Bask in the knowing that the universe is communicating all these incredibly powerful messages, and you're here to receive and integrate them as you pursue your soul's purpose and embrace this beautiful journey of life. As the rays begin to flow through you, notice beautiful yellow, magenta flowers in your garden. They have bloomed from the life and light-giving rays from the sunlight and the nourishment of your breath. The golden color from the sun and the yellow flowers help bring balance to your solar plexus, to fortify your ability to overcome anxiety, worry, stress. And you receive a message from the flowers. And they tell you it is safe to trust. Imagine the yellow and magenta flower petals cascading gently down and around you. You're bathing in them. They're caressing you, and you're bathing in this beautiful energy. Imagine laying down now. Feel your body soften to a silky bed of rose petals. Inhale their magnificent aroma that is there for you. The sun is shining upon you. Take a deep breath in and extend your arms out. And feel the light rays upon your body. And as you extend your arms out, you're actually holding each other and connecting to the whole field of consciousness across this entire globe and universe. As you feel the connection between all of you who are joining here today, take this magnificent, powerful energy of absolute peace and give yourself a big hug. big embrace. Let a smile shine from you as you're embracing yourself. Now, as you hold this embrace, move your hands on your heart, and we're going to recite 3 more mantras that you can use anytime, anywhere, to support your inner peace, calm, and happiness. Repeat after me. I'm safe and supported in my environment. I invite balance into my life. I'm in alignment with my divine journey of discovery and in harmony with my emotions. I choose to see the truth that I'm guided and protected by the universe. Thank your body and your higher self for supporting you in this experience. Bring this powerful energy of peace and deep knowing and integrate it into your entire being. Feel the appreciation and gratitude towards this entire group that is here supporting you in this beautiful journey. Keep focusing on your breath. Move your body now as you're inspired to do so, in coming fully into the present. Slowly opening up your eyes and seeing through the lens of supreme peace that you have cultivated here today. Share this light as you go about your day, and know you can come back to the sacred garden within any time that you need. And as you continue this practice, know you're always supported by the universe and by this incredibly powerful group that has joined us today. And collectively, you're helping elevate the consciousness of the entire planet. Thrive, heal, and live in your greatest expression of peace as you continue to pursue your spiritual destiny. You may slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much.